Welcome. So now we'll go to chapter 5, which is have great role models. Have great role models. Even Steve Jobs had role models. Look different kind of role models for yourself and go deep into them and take positives from them. And I have my role models: Steve Jobs, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Vic. Those are my role models. So we'll go to sixth chapter, which is as per Steve Jobs, like competitive advantage. What is competitive advantage? In the beginning, even we might not be able to know the advantage of our product and services. So it is always recommended to have feedback forms for the customers. Okay, we need to have that so that you can get feedback from the customers regularly, so you can improve your product services. Your competitor to have a better insights of your product from the customer's point of view. Okay, keep eyes and ears open, irrespective of arsenals that you have built. Okay, people who care for you will give you feedback even when you are not asking for it. Okay, these are your ultra loyal customers connections. Invest your time in them, listen to deliver. Okay, and change your approach. Let go your laggard offerings that now do not make sense in the current short-term future. Okay, innovate for long-term growth. So these are the like concept from Steve Jobs as a competitive advantage. And we'll go to the seventh chapter, which is marketing value. Build your course on core strong values. Okay, create code of honor on your strong principles. Understand people are more important than the marketing tactics. Rethink the need for advertising. Avoid price wars by emphasizing your unique value proposition. Okay, which is Apple focused on their UVP, which is unique value proposition, which is beautiful design that the work right out of box with ever smaller packing. It is a marketing strategy that gets used throughout social media, and it is very much a competitive advantage for Apple and its makers make market share. So keep your marketing and your products simple. Okay, Apple products, you can say they are ultra simple, very simple, ultimate sophisticated, and this approach doesn't confuse your customers with too much information, as Leonardo da Vinci said. Like this approach does not confuse their customers with too much information. Don't give too much information. Okay, know your audience and talk to them in their language. Okay, this is the fourth concept. Design a better customer experience. Okay, because Apple has created customer experience that goes for beyond an actual purchase in the retail stores. They go longer, even need to be in charge of a huge part of their content marketing, since their target market is doing it for them. Okay, so let's go to aim at your prospect emotions. Build community of user customer. Okay, so we'll go in next video. We'll go ethics basis as per Steve Jobs. So thank you so much. Kindly write in the comment section what have you learned, how you're going to apply it in your project, in your product, in your services. Thank you so much.